Everyone is staying home during this coronavirus pandemic. What are you going to do while you're there, while everything is closed or canceled? Well, I suggest getting all of your old negatives, slides, and photos organized. Mail them to my office, and I'll scan them into beautiful images for only $1 each. You can share them on Facebook or view them on your phone, computer, or even your TV. You will receive high-resolution scans with custom cropping and color correction by an expert with 25 years of scanning experience. That's me. Please include a thumb drive in your package, and I'll put your images on it for you. Then I'll mail it all back to you. To order, simply download the PDF, print it, fill it out, and include it with your pictures to scan. It's just that easy. No online transaction is needed, so please proceed with looking up and finding all of your old photos that you would like me to scan for you. Thank you.